Hi, I'm Shannon. I'm a librarian with the Pikes Peak Library District, and today I will be showing you how to use JobNow. It's a free resource you can access with your library card from home. JobNow offers resume tips, interview advice, and career advice. If you don't have a library card with us, you can apply for one online at ppld.org/library-card-application. If you have a library card with us but don't remember your card or PIN number, fill out the Contact Us form and we will get back to you. To use JobNow, go to our main website, ppld.org, hover over Services, and click on Job Search Career Tools. Next, click on JobNow. You will need a 400 series PPLD card and your PIN number to access this resource from home. When you sign into JobNow, you'll notice options here at the top as well as in the middle for resume, job interviews, and career. The first thing that you'll want to do is create an account with JobNow. Click on Login, then click on Sign Up. You will need to create a username, password hint and answer, and enter an email address. If you don't have an email, you can create one for free on sites such as Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook. Make sure to write down your username and password in a safe spot. You will also get a confirmation email from JobNow. Once you have logged in, you will get access to menus such as your inbox, which will take you to any messages you have sent or received in JobNow, tasks for to-do list, and if you hover over your username, you will see information about your account, past tutoring sessions, message center, test, and Cloud Pack, which is an online storage system where you can place items such as your resume and cover letter for later access. When you click on Live Resume Expert, you'll be instantly connected to a tutor between the hours of 2 to 11 p.m. You will be able to chat with this tutor and ask specific questions about the resume and cover letter process. You can submit your resume and cover letter at any time using the Resume Lab. You can attach your resume or cover letter from your computer or the Cloud Pack. To attach it from your computer, make sure From Computer is selected. Then click on Upload File. Select the document you would like to upload. If you have any comments or questions or any areas you would like the expert to focus on, type it in this box here. Then click on Submit. You will get a response back in 1 business day. Check the Message Center to retrieve your submission. Add a document to your Cloud Pack. First, click on My Cloud Pack. Then click on My Cloud Pack again. Next, click Add. Here's where you'll put the title and description, then upload file from your computer. When you are all done, click Save. Now this resume has been added to the Cloud Pack. To attach it to the Resume Lab, make sure From Cloud Pack is selected. Then click on Browse File, select the document you want, and hit Select. If you have any comments or questions or any areas you would like them to focus on, write it in the text box, then hit Submit. JobNow also offers resume templates, which are a great way to get started if you are new to writing resumes or it's been a while. Selecting any one of these templates will automatically download into Microsoft Word. From there, you can enable editing and put in your information. JobNow also offers additional resume resources, such as Military Skills Translator and resume guides from Career One Stop. For additional resources on writing resumes and cover letters, head to Indeed.com and scroll down to Career Advice. From there, you can select resume and cover letters for tutorials, videos, and articles on how to create a cover letter and resume. JobNow also offers interview and career resource tips. Stay tuned for our next video where we will go over these resources and show you resources on the Pikes Peak Workforce Center site, including how to apply for jobs. Thank you.